Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox a mini micro USB and USB fan which I bought from Paytm. And if you would like to get one for your own, then just check the link below in the description and get one. It costed me around 100 rupees and I'm leaving the link in the description below. So let's just open it. I got it from Paytm. It's rupees 100. So just come out, man. Wow, it's in light orange. It looks cool. Just open it. Wow, look at this, man. Look at this. The tiny little motor is there. And just put it here. The players will be assembled here. Now let's see how the bridge is working. Oh man, it's a mini USB one. I think I can use it in my mobile phone. So let's just try. Wow, cool breeze, man. Cool breeze. Want to know how the intensity? Just see. Wow. Wow. ये देखो. Wow, it's just fooling away. Cool breeze. So it's a very good fan. It's a very good wind quality. So that's what the quick unboxing. If you want to get one for your own, then just click in the link in the description below. So I'll just remove this fan and then I will put it here and see the magic.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Cool.
I don't wanna miss
Does
a
it
beat.
look cool?
And on we'll go.
Get one. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then please do share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more such YouTube videos. And take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath.